favorite Chinese restaurant. Coco! Hi! Happy anniversary! So we are here at Huayuan, so Hilton Chinese restaurant, and this is one of our favorite Chinese restaurants in Manila. So I'm excited. So we're celebrating our 21st anniversary. 21 on the 21st. So I'm going to take you later because we're going to check in, and then we have some activities. So stay tuned. Thank you. Surprise! Here. Happy anniversary, dear.
Happy anniversary.
Ito na kayo sabi. Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary, dear.
Thank you. Guys, meron kami ditong guest. Hi, guest. Wow! Look, light blue because that's our wedding motif.
Happy.
Love you too.
Anniversary.
Okay, kinikis lagi. Gusto mo kiss lagi. Happy anniversary!
Happy anniversary.
Thank you. Thank you, Kuya Colby. Okay, today we are now at Hilton Hotel Manila. And RJ gave me a present which I'm very excited to open or unbox, although I have an idea already because he told me, but let's unbox it all together and so that you'll find out. Okay, let's begin. Okay, so backstory neto is this. Si RJ no, let's open it first. Ready, set, go. Wow! Look, guys! And we have this. Okay. So I received from RJ DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. And this is actually backstory. So, okay. So, that's na ba, dear? Okay. Ito lang ba? Okay. So, anyway, dear. Anyway, ito yung backstory niyan. Si RJ is actually looking for a present for me, pero he really intends to buy me this one. Okay? Kasi nga, I'm into vlogging already. And of course, I'm going to share with you before. I have a lot of cameras because nung nag-start pa ako ng vlogging, which is of course, it was writing part. I had my website. And then, lahat ng mga cameras. Well, not really lahat, but most of my cameras that I use are actually from RJ. So, he supports me in all of my endeavors, those activities. And this time, since nga I actually venture into vlogging already, it's better to use this one. Kasi for most of the creators, content creators, they actually use this. However, in the Philippines, out of stock to. And, ang way nga to find out how to buy for this is this. May receipt pa. So, this was bought in Chapman Avenue in Orange, California. Okay, so he asked my brother to buy it for him as a present. And good thing si Kuya actually was able to get this. So if you notice, ito pa, oh, welcome to Best Buy. Sa Chapman pa siya bumili. And then, ang story is, nag-iisa na lang siya. So, this is really meant for me. So, kinuha na nila to, this one. And si Kuya just gave me this one as a present also is the, yung memory card niya. Okay? So, yan. I'm so excited. So, let's unbox it and let's use this for, maybe for this day. Or let's find out. Because later on, I'm going to share with you, magdadalo kami ni RJ ng this one. Couples Edition. So, it says like, we are not really strangers. How to play this is this one. Let me read for you. So, what's more romantic than being understood? The Couples Edition is an invitation to better understand who your partner is today, not just the person you met them as. There's only one rule while playing. Honest answers only. Ready? So, actually, I just saw it and then I asked Kobe to buy this. So, mabibili niyo siya guys sa, was it in Shopee? Oh, so Kobe bought this in Shopee and it's just only, I think it's a minimal amount only. I'm not sure about the price. I think 400 ba? 400 plus? 400 plus. So, instead of like us creating questions or everything, we will just pick here. Maybe I'll check if we're gonna pick like 21 questions, but let's see. Kaya we haven't unboxed this kasi ang rule namin ni RJ is it's better to get this na wala kaming idea. Kasi it's nice to answer something like spontaneously or randomly answer kasi it's from the heart, right? So let's do it later, okay? Thank you. I'm so excited, guys. Si RJ na mag-arrange niyan. Okay, si RJ na mag-assemble. Of course. Yan. Open ni RJ ang we're not strangers. Are we? Are we strangers?
No, we are not.
We're not strangers. Let's see. But I believe that every couple is always a work in progress. You know your partner well, but there's something still like, there's always like mystery in it still, right? And it's important to have like mystery.
Yeah.
Okay, let's read the instructions. Open up. We're not really strangers. Okay? Let's read how to play this. So, instructions. How well do you know your partner? How well do they know you? The Couples Edition is meant to explore how well you already know each other and unlock the layers you've never knew existed. This game can be played on its own or with the original We're Not Really Strangers card game. Alternate asking and answering each question, starting with level 1, all the way up to level 3. Honest answers only. Ready? So the level 1 is all about perception. Okay. So it's about gaining perspective. It's about gaining perspective on how your significant other sees you and challenging any assumptions you make about each other. It's also a test of how well you two know one another. Answer with the first response that comes to mind. If guessed incorrectly by your partner, feel free to reveal the actual answer. So for level 2, it's all about connection. Who are you, really? This round is about asking the rarely asked questions and connecting on a deeper level. So for level 3, reflection. So time to reflect on your game experience. So there's also wild cards. If you draw a wild card, your partner must complete the instructions unless otherwise stated. So these are meant to be spontaneous and a lot bit silly. These cards can appear at any moment during the game. So things to remember while playing. Relationships change just like the people in them do. Continue getting to know your partner every day. Number 2, your partner can't read your mind. Communicate their needs, don't just think them. Number 3, communication creates partnership. But that requires sharing your truth with your partner and being open to receiving theirs, especially when it's uncomfortable. And then 4, the most romantic thing is being understood, but that requires listening actively. Limit all distractions when your partner is opening up to you. Number 5, reveal even what feels risky. Let your partner see who you really are, not just what you think they want to see. And number 6, show and tell your partner you love them every day. We all need more love than we lead on. So here, there's some questions. Okay, it says, how did this game leave you feeling? What did it teach you about your partner? And what did it teach you about yourself? So I'm very excited about this, really, because I don't even know the questions really, but I just saw it also in one of those random thing when I was just like browsing social media. I think it was YouTube. So I said, I think it's better to have this or play with RJ on our 21st anniversary. It's been, you know, I always tell this to RJ, like, it feels like yesterday, but looking back, like, I'm feeling ko yung, wow, we made it. Although more years to come, but 21 years, I think it's really, it's long, diba? Yeah, parang nag-mature kayo, and then, even if it's like time flies so fast, talagang ano eh, yung connection nyo, I think it becomes deeper and deeper as you go along. So let's open and let's play. Open mo na rin yung isa para
Are we going to answer
wala
from
pa.
level 1 to 3?
Kasi level perception, anong tingin mo sa kanya? Diba? Ganun ba yun? And then, explain na natin, diba? So let's see first. Pero let's have like 21 questions kasi pag sobrang dami naman, diba? Let's try to maximize it like into 21.
Why not, try to get a couple of cards
7.
each.
7.
Yeah.
Diba? Kasi 21 eh, 7, 14. So, diba? Let's do like 7 questions from level 1 to 3. Level 1, level 2, and level 3. Kasi para 21 questions tayo, guys. So, ayan. Guys, buti pumapayag na si RJ. Kasi, just to give you a brief background, si RJ doesn't have any social media accounts. He is a very private person. Wala siyang, ever since, wala siyang Facebook, Instagram, or any other. So, lahat ng mga social media ko, before, papaalam ko pa sa kay Kobe tsaka sa kanila, because I respect their privacy also. They are a very private person. So, I always ask them, like, okay lang ba i-post or everything? Sometimes, because I always post it on Facebook or Instagram, and then, later on, pinublic ko na talaga sila, kasi a lot of people are asking me, like, naka-hide daw yung social media account ko, and then they wanted to follow and everything. So at first medyo shy pa ako noon. Sabi ko, people will stalk me and people will just look at it. And then I think it's a matter of like being comfortable. During the time na inopen up ko yung social media ko, I think I was ready at the time. And now here I am with my very own Mr. RJ. Ooh! First time na magkakaroon siya ng ganito. Syempre yung travel namin is different. This one, he will answer. So, my first ever guest sa aking Hugs Heidi. By the way, yun kasi yung nanalo na question dahil I asked someone, I asked sa my social media community, ano yung gusto nilang itawag sa natin, yung pag may interview portion ako. Let's say magkakaroon ako ng guest sa YouTube ko, they say Hugs Heidi. Yun ang marami akong choices, and the option that I actually provided some options, and then people actually gave me some ideas, pero yung unang-una talaga na lumabas na nilagay ko is sa isa sa mga options is Hugs Heidi, and it won. So na Hugs Heidi tayo ngayon. My first ever guest, my Hugs Heidi, is no other than my ever dearest one true love, Mr. RJ. Uy! Okay, let's go. I'm going to randomly pick. Okay. So, but mix it, dear. But please mix it.
Yeah, it's already random because we really don't know what's inside. So we don't know what's inside. So
pero the first
everything is random already.
Oh, pero kung yung first one, sige. Okay. So let's try. Ako muna? Ako ang kasi ikaw sasagot. Gusto mo ako muna tanungin mo?
So, okay.
Kasi ikaw magbabasa.
Okay, for level 1, how do I show you I'm upset without telling you I'm upset?
Quiet kasi siya. So, very reserved kasi yung personality mo. So, I know that if you're upset, well, of course, kung quiet ka, hindi mo rin malaman, di ba? Kasi yung face, nakikita ko, kung talagang, hindi lumalabas yung dimples! Ayan, hindi lumalabas, tama, di ba? Hindi lumalabas ang dimples, hindi mo mapapalabas kasi upset siya. Tama, correct?
Question mo sa akin.
Sige.
So, how do you show that you're upset without telling me you're upset? You're not makulit. You're just sitting down,
quiet.
Doing trying to make yourself busy. You're not giving attention to us.
Okay.
That's how I know that you're upset.
Kasi quiet, talaga ako, yung happy person.
Yes, correct?
Correct. Even to others also, I'm like that.
If our first kiss was a song, what would it be called?
Gosh. I want to make it with you. Kasi it's a gentle song, and it's actually heartwarming song. I want to make it with you. Bye, bread. And you?
Me? For as long as I will not sing it, but it's Perfect by Ed Sheeran. Because you...
Bagets sa bagets, ha? Ako naman, 70s. Ito, Ed Sheeran is ano? Ito ba? Ito lang, ha? Uy, ako na magtatanong.
Okay.
Oh, get ready. Dapat may baon ka nito. If we were not in a relationship, what pickup line would you use with me?
Okay, let me think a little bit about it. Are you a time traveler?
Why?
Because I can see my future with you.
Wow! Kita-kita mo. Ay, kilig na kilig naman ako, di ba?
How about you?
Ako? Apat galingan ko, di ba? Is your name Wi-Fi?
Why?
Because I'm feeling a connection. Makalokohan natin din.
Okay. What celebrity couple are we most like?
Okay. I prefer not to be associated with anyone else because I wanted to be the way we are. But I think some of those friends that some of our friends, actually they say, hi, Mayor Lucy. They say like always like Richard and Lucy. But hello. No, I prefer not to have any.
Yeah.
But if kung nire-relate nila yon sa atin, then they're really beautiful couple.
Yeah. Agree. Okay, your turn.
My turn. Okay. Guys, is still level 1 pero nakakatuwa yung perception. Minsan yung gulat yung mga questions. It's very nice. What do you think I'm most sensitive to during a fight or disagreement?
Sensitive? What do you think I'm most sensitive to during a fight or a disagreement? I think you're sensitive when talking about the past, I think.
In terms of like past relationships,
Maybe past relationships, past
kasi I'm a type of person like whatever happened in the past or in general hindi relationships yun. Because ikaw lang naman. In general, sa akin, yeah, because I think, correct, hindi siya yung in relationship or whatever.
Yeah.
I think in general, yung talking about what happened before, parang hindi na kailangan mo pag-usapan, unless it's happy memories, diba? Pero, hindi na. Medyo napapagod ako sa mga, kasi I always look at the future. Okay, my turn? Okay. Did you make any assumptions about me based on my age? If so, what were they?
My biggest assumption is most probably because of our age gap. I think you're more mature than me.
Uy, grabe naman maka-age gap.
Yeah, 2 year age gap.
Oo,
Yeah,
guys, 2 year age gap lang naman. I'm 49, RJ is 47.
Yeah, you're more mature.
Ako naman, kasi it was just only 2 years, so I never had any assumptions. Wala.
Okay.
Ako ba?
Sorry,
Okay.
yeah.
Do you think I have any unconventional views on love?
No, because you're pretty much very conservative. You're very traditional when it comes to love.
Ako din, kung to answer that question, if you're going to ask me, ganun din, yung love mo, kasi naman when you define love, it's really deep, diba? But in terms of, let's say, I think we anchor the definition of love basically on, don't say that it's really like being religious or what, no? But I love yung Corinthians, Bible verse. Yung lagi natin, even yung wedding natin, di ba, nandun din yun, di ba? Yung, what is it?
Love is patient,
love is kind, yeah. Never jealous. So, I think, wala naman tayong perception about love na unconventional.
Yeah. Okay. On to level 2, connection. Okay. What has this relationship taught you about yourself?
Patience. Kasi with patience, I've seen you that you're a very patient person. If you have patience, actually it gives you, it actually improves your emotional resilience, because you'll be able to handle setbacks and frustrations very well, because you'll be able to focus on things. And I've seen in you those things. And at the same time, patience kasi will lead you to a greater relationship or life. Because if you have patience, I do believe that good things take time, right? And it gives you also at the same time, it improves your stronger relationship, because the more you're patient, the more you actually listen to others, and it actually gives you, it shows empathy. You're showing empathy at the same time. So I think, yeah, patience.
So as for me, so
And actually, I have, okay, you want to answer? Okay.
yeah, I want to answer. So what this relationship has taught me, aside from patience, is that I've learned that I can sacrifice everything for the family. So yeah, that's it.
Okay. Okay, that's nice. So this one, and okay. What small thing had a big impact on our relationship?
What small thing that made our relationship? I think the small things that we usually do that became the foundation of our relationship, like going on small dates, frequent dates, going out of town, yung mga quick out of town overnight.
Yes, yes.
No? Mga small activities that we enjoy doing. I think from that, we were able to build our relationship right now because of those small, frequent but many things that we do together.
Agree. Yung mga small things na yon really had a big impact. Kasi you recall those happy memories eh. Especially yung spontaneous. I do believe spontaneous trips will really help a lot. Kasi imagine mo, very structured ka na in many ways. Let's say, I mean in general, let's say, work tayo, di ba? Work, very structured yan eh. What you do, this is what you're going to do, this and this. Pero you have also to be spontaneous. And we have a lot of spontaneous trips. Yes. And I do enjoy it. Not just trips, but dates. On a Friday, that's one thing, a small thing that I actually appreciated. We never stopped dating. Like, when we were together as boyfriend and girlfriend, every Friday, they always pick me up in the office. And then we always go out. And I think we always do the same thing. Even if it's not Friday, siguro may ibang day that we do it, but at least once a week. Yeah.
Okay. So, the next question is, how have I changed for, how have I changed you for the better?
Me. How have you changed me? I think we also have the same answer, like being patient. Naging patient talaga ako in many. I am also patient in many ways, but I think it becomes deeper because I've seen you how committed, how patient you are in many ways. Yeah, very patient kayo.
I think for me is yung for you being supportive of me.
Supportive.
Yeah, that's why I'm supportive to you as well in everything. So yeah, that's it.
How do I support you?
Yeah, you keep on motivating me, you push me to be the best version of myself.
Of course, of course. Of course.
Okay, your
My turn. Ang gaganda guys ng mga questions. Kasi ano siya at tas yung mga random questions, sometimes hindi mo rin talaga, yung nag-iisip ka, di ba? Like, oh my gosh, ano nga ba yun? So anyway, hi, dear!
Yes.
Parang hindi ko alam sasagutin to. Or sasagutin mo. What title would you give this chapter of our sex life? Guys.
I see.
Guys.
What title would you like this chapter of our sex life? Title.
Ang title? Ang hirap naman nito. Parang
If it's a song, do it to me one more time.
Kakais to. Katawa ka eh. Ano ka? Guys, nakakatawa yung question. Anong chapter? Anong title natin? Nasa chapter na to is on to the next level. To the highest level.
Okay.
Anong magandang title dun?
Sa akin, basta do it to me one more time.
Yun ang title mo eh, no?
In what ways is this relationship unlike any other before.
We are the better version of ourselves. Sobra. If I think not just in our relationship, based on our individual, talagang the better version of ourselves, and that's one thing that we could pat our back. We could actually give a pat on our back, like, good job, RJ. Good job, Cookie.
Agree.
Yeah.
I agree. I think we're better.
Better
right
version.
now, yeah.
Better version.
Ay, turn.
Okay. What's one way our relationship has gotten better over time?
Better over time.
But you don't have to read kasi but sinabi ko na don't have to read.
But sometimes I like to read it. One way that our relationship has gotten better over time. Yeah, I think our love has grown deeper. And we have matured as individuals, resulting into less arguments, less fights. So I think that's it.
Yeah, less drama. Because I think when you're young, maybe not just in relationship, friendship also so drama ha. I mean, ayoko ng mga drama, everything. Even when I was young also, I hate dramas. I love acting drama, drama actings, but to have like drama in my life, ouch eh. So, yun yung I think has gotten better over time. No, less, I think less to know eh. Wala ng drama, and then at the same time, we choose our battle already.
Yeah.
Parang nandun na tayo sa stage na we always choose our battle. Is it worth fighting?
Yeah.
Or maybe parang worth fighting for the relationship natin, di ba? Pero yung mga things na no, we really choose our battle already.
Small things getting upset.
We value already yung what makes us happy.
Okay. The last question for level 2. So, what's one small thing I do that tells you everything you need to know about me?
Being supportive. It speaks for everything. Like what you do for the family, whatever you do for me, that's very you. So in many small ways, actually in everything, may it be big or small, you always support us, and that tells who you really are for me and for the family. Yeah.
As for you naman, as we can see in everything that you do, in small things, in the big things, you always see to it that it is for the family, for the happiness of the family, because you're a joy giver of the family. Okay.
Oh, level 3 na.
So that's the end of level 2.
Ang gaganda ng mga questions Nag-enjoy ka ba sa mga questions?
Oh yes.
Ang gaganda ng mga questions niya.
Especially enjoy it being with you.
Wow. Hindi, tsaka talagang, alam mo, kahit na you know each other, we're really not strangers. But in one way or another, you think about all the answers, right?
Yes.
Oo, we're not really strangers.
For level 3, reflection. Okay.
So my turn to ask? Or your
my
turn?
turn. Yeah. Okay. What's one thing you'd never
My
change
question.
about our relationship?
Bakit you? Di ba question ko na?
Yeah, I will
Kasi
ask.
question ka eh. Kanina ako yung una sumagot sa being supportive eh.
Okay.
Di ba? So I will be the one to ask you a question. What's one thing you'd never change about our relationship?
You know, I think every time we get a chance to be together and do the things that we love, we do it. No matter if it's planned, simultaneous or on the spot. So for as long as it gives us joy, yeah, I think that's what we should never stop doing together.
Ako, I want to answer this. What's one thing you'd never change about a relationship is like being a kid at heart.
Yeah.
I think we're always like that. I think forever. Kasi, di ba, I've been hearing like, I want to grow old with you. But why will you grow old with a person? Like, di ba? Parang for me, I wanted to be a kid with you forever. Like, I think we always have like a kid in our heart. Kasi once you have that kind of attitude or heart, I think you will enjoy even if until you get old. as you age. So I don't want it. I don't like to change about that in our relationship. Like being a kid at heart. Actually, nag-enjoy tayo dun eh, di ba? So kasi it's important. It's very important.
Yeah. So it's my turn.
Okay.
What do we have in this relationship that you never thought was possible?
Again.
What do we have in this relationship that you never thought was possible?
Me being, I know that you're very supportive, but I've never thought that you will allow me to flourish my career in many ways. Like for example, now I get the chance to, let's say, my job requires a lot of traveling. Okay, and I know, because not all men would actually, or not all husbands will actually say to that agreement. But in your case, you wanted me to flourish my career. You wanted me to see, you want to see me flourish my career and enjoy my life. And because we know naman we have boundaries. And once you have boundaries, you know that you're giving space to the other. And at the same time, you have to know that you have values in you. So I think I never thought that it will happen, like you will allow me. Because not all can do that, right? But in your case, very generous ka about time, about freedom.
Okay. So your turn.
You will not answer this?
Me? You want me to answer that?
Oo. Uy guys, ang seryoso ha. Gusto ko naman ng
What
masyadong
do you have in
seryoso.
that you never thought
Parang
was
seryoso ni
possible?
RJ.
I think being able to work our relationship even if we are apart.
Okay.
Just as you mentioned a while ago, di ba? We've been very supportive of your career and
Yes.
development. In spite of that, it seems that nothing has changed. Every time you're here with us, we are happy together. Usually it's very difficult for a family to be able to work their relationship if they're apart.
Uy, hindi naman tayo matagal, nawawala.
But for us, diba?
Hindi naman guys, hindi masyadong matagal.
It's
Baka,
a challenge.
yeah.
It's a challenge.
Baka they're thinking, the viewers might think that I actually always go.
No.
Hindi naman matagal,
Yeah.
guys.
Mga
Hindi yan matagal. Short
trips
trips
only.
only. Short trips.
Short trips. Okay.
But baka isipin din nila, yung short trips ko are more on like, some are also personal because yung mga travel namin are as family and also my travel. But some, of course, are related to work. So, okay. What most excites you about our future? Why? Ang seryoso ni RJ, uy.
What excites me? Well, the mystery of not knowing what's coming, that will be given for our family.
Ako din. What future lies for
Yeah,
us?
it's just we're praying for everything good that we can imagine will come to us in our family. So I think that's very exciting because you don't know what's coming for us, but definitely hoping for the best every time.
Yeah, tsaka ako din, parang yung lagi ko naman prayer lang, Lord, surprise us. So yun yung that excites me. Like, Lord, when you please surprise us. Happy surprise. That excites me.
Yeah. Okay. My turn. Yeah,
Yes, I think it's your
Yeah. Okay.
Level 3.
Okay.
Level 3, still level 3.
Yeah, still level 3. Finish the sentence. I'm proudest of you for
everything you've done for our family.
Thank you. Happy anniversary.
Anniversary, dear.
For me, I'm proudest of you for loving us in everything, big or small way that that you can show us. So we really value it.
Happy anniversary.
Love you.
Hindi ba tapos yung level 3?
Okay. Oh, your turn.
Okay. Okay. What could other couples learn from us?
Well, all relationships are not perfect. It's just that you have to work hard to make it perfect, to make it work. So it takes both of you to really work hard for your relationship. There's no secret formula there.
Yeah. What could other couples learn from us? As you've said, actually, there's no formula for each. There is formula, but not all formula can be actually applicable to other couples, because each has its own formula, and I think they have to remember that. But if one thing that they could learn from us, I think like what Kobe has mentioned a while ago during his message for us, like we actually give space for each other. But when you say give space for each other, yung hindi ka galit Kasi iba, yeah, I give space. Pero actually, ay, galit ka. Di ba? Tayo, we're really happy having that. Like, okay, you enjoy being by yourself. I will enjoy being by myself. Bihira yun. Kasi yung iba, and I'm not actually saying that it's not good to be clingy. Kasi depende kung nagmamatch kayo nun eh. But I think, I do believe space is very important. Space, yeah. You have to have space. Nakakalimutan na nung iba yan if they get married, but it's really important.
Yeah. So, last two questions for
Last two
level 3.
questions.
Then we'll be going to the wild card.
Okay.
So, what's a superpower of mine that perhaps I'm unaware of?
Agility.
Agility, why?
Oo, yung ano yung your strength and everything, even if you're very tired, the following day, I am surprised that you have the same energy as yesterday. Parang ganon. Yung parang, talaga, puyat ka kagabi, and then now, ganun pa din.
For me, your superpower, you're like an Energizer bunny. Because...
ever ready?
Yes. Energizer bunny. Because you're full of energy, full of laughter, kakulitan. You're always trying to wrestle us.
Oo nga eh. Oo. Siguro talagang ko yun eh. Personality ko yun.
Yeah. Okay. So,
and last question for level 3.
Before going to the
okay, level 3 is actually reflection. When was the last time you felt lucky to be my significant other? So you have to, it says here, get specific. All the time doesn't count. Okay? When was the last time you felt lucky to be my significant other?
Just recently. Yeah, when I picked you up in the airport.
Okay.
I felt so lucky because I was able to kiss you and hug you again.
Okay.
So, yeah, that made me feel very, very lucky.
Having me.
Yeah, having me.
Alive.
Of course. Having you alive, well, healthy, and hearing your laughter.
Ako, this morning. Because every kissing is a blessing. Oh, genius. No, yeah. For me, every time you wake up. So this morning is the last time. Because when you wake up and when you woke up and you're alive, and it's a gift from heaven. It's a gift from heaven that it's not actually being lucky. It's actually feeling blessed that you're alive. Okay? Wow! Dami-daming questions, guys. Grabe. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa aming questions for this level 3. Yeah, kaya you're gonna have like for wildcard. Pero, guys, it's so nice. Kasi you get to know each other. We're not strangers. Pero yung mga things that you wanted to listen or to hear, you'll never actually heard it before.
Yeah.
Kasi hindi mo niya naman ginagawa yan eh, di ba? Well, siguro, maybe you say it, but random, on a random thing. Ito kasi parang, ang galing may mga questions that actually makakaisip ka. For example na lang, di ba, what pickup line? May, sobrang fast talagang, okay. And then what song, di ba?
Yeah. Okay. For the wild card, level 1, this is level 1, level 2, and level 3.
Let's do like what we did before. It's random. That's why pinakita namin sa inyo na we need to open, parang unboxing namin para it's random. It's nice kasi if it's random. Sige, so let's do first 1, 2, 3. Only one question for each kasi madami na yan.
Yeah. Okay.
Let's
so
have level 1.
Level 1, wild card. Level 1, perception, wild card. Rate each other's cuddling skills on a scale of 1 to 10. Compare and explain.
10.
10. Yeah.
10 kasi, alam nyo guys, one of our love languages is actually touch.
Yes.
So we love cuddling. Kissing. Yes. So we always love hugging, kissing. Basta lagi tayong ganon. At home, nakikita ni Kobe yun. Talagang, I think...
Even in public, we hold hands.
And I don't mind. Kasi others actually, except for, let's say, countries that we have to be aware of that, diba?
Yeah.
We are actually aware. But in general, we're like that in public. And I don't mind. I don't mind if we hug each other. Kasi others, they say, oh, we want our relationship to be private and not do things. Actually, to each his own. But for us, we enjoy doing it, and that's how we show our love for each other, not for everyone else. Yeah, diba?
Yeah. Okay. So for level 2, white card.
Wild card, my turn. Okay.
Here.
Here, right. So random also. So on a scale of 1 to 10, write down. So let's not write down. Let's just think of it. The importance of having kids to you. Compare and explain.
Okay.
So you have to compare.
On a scale of 1 to 10, I think it's 10. As for me, it's a source of emotional stability, emotional joy, because they are one of the many sources of love in the family, aside from the love that you get from your wife. I think that's one of the great things of having kids of your own. Aside from that, you become more responsible with kids, with your kids and with your family if you have kids.
Yeah, I know it's, but this is just only for us, right?
Yeah.
Because I know it's a sensitive topic for others that are, childless, or they opted not to have. So a choice nila yun, diba? But for me, the importance of having kids is really 10. 1 to 10, the scale of 10 being the highest, it's 10 for me. Kasi I do believe having a child gives you personal growth. It, as you've mentioned, it gives you like responsibility. Actually, you become also patient. But if you have kids, you learn how to be patient. So of course, responsibility, and also at the same time, legacy and continuity. If you have kids, you pass down the history of your family, right? And at the same time, emotional fulfillment. Because really, the kids or the children are, no matter how old they are really a source of joy to us, or I mean to us parents, right? So for Kobe, having Kobe in our life is really a gift and a blessing from God. Like, we are very, very grateful that we were given a child. We were given chance to become a parent because of Kobe. Because of Kobe.
Okay. Aside for that, you still learn a lot from kids as well.
Yeah.
Because of their, I think the pureness of the heart of kids. You get to learn also from them.
Well, guys, that's the end
not
of...
Yet.
Not yet?
Not yet, that's level 2.
That's level 2?
This is the last one.
I thought level 3.
Level 3.
Gosh, may level 3 pa pala tayo. No,
level 3 wildcard.
Okay.
Okay. Write down, or just say it out loud, the top 3 things you're most grateful for in your partner.
Okay. Unconditional support. You're always there for us, no matter what. And then love and affection. Your love for us is, the way I see it, is deep. And shared growth. Because you always challenge me to become the better version of myself, and that's you really wanted to flourish. You wanted to see me flourish in everything that I do. So those are the top 3 things that I think I can say.
Thank you. Love you.
Love you too.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
What me? You want me?
Okay.
Answer? Okay. For me is that trustworthiness.
Okay.
Your sense of value is very high. I can always depend on you. You're very trustworthy in everything. Your continuous show. You're never afraid to show how much you love us, and express how you feel and you love us, and that's we greatly appreciate with you, because no matter how what the situation is, you always show how much you love us. And lastly is
positive.
And
you mean positive?
Yeah. And lastly is that you're a bearer of joy every time. So you always try to make us happy, and we always feel love because of that.
Yeah. Happy anniversary, dear! Love you! Oy, may salamin eh. Ang hirap eh.
Okay. Cheers.
Mag-antay. Tea tayo.
Tea.
Cheers! Happy anniversary! Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you like it, and thank you for all those who subscribe. Thank you for all those who subscribe to my channel. Now I think it's 30 point something plus subscribers, and those who are actually active and very engaging, who actually do comments, thank you very much. I really appreciate, and I hope that you enjoy this vlog, our anniversary vlog, because it's not writing, so it's YouTube, it's vlog, and the unboxing, of course, and I can't wait to use it. Thank you very much for your gift, because people might think, ano yung gift ko kay RJ? Baka mag-mall kami later. So, pumili na lang siya dyan. Kasi here, if you actually stay at Hilton Manila, right across is the Resorts World. So, you can just actually go to the mall. So, yun yung gift ko kay RJ. And then,
mall ang gift niya sa akin.
Wow. Just mall. Oy, in Jesus' name. So, maybe, kung may nagustuhan siya, but there's also budget. And then, what else? I hope you enjoy this edition. I think year-ender edition. Yeah, so thank you guys, and I hope you enjoyed our vlog. Thank you. Bye. Like and subscribe. There's a way going to level 2. Buwan muna kami ni RJ. Resorts World. Look, reminds us of our Paris, right? So, this is Resorts World. Everyone, see you tomorrow. Good night, dear.